welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Ashley.
And Bethany.
And today we are going to be looking at my sister Kit's bedroom. And I think that her bedroom is pretty cool. I'm still renovating mine, to be honest, because I'm working on moving mine right now. Right, Bethany?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna start the room tour. As now you can just see a random cat. So this is just where we keep some of our clothes and stuff. I'm not sure if you guys.
I actually can't see, but my socks were on the call. But
Yeah.
there's one shelf, and that's because we're on a call.
Okay, so this here, I think you guys can see this. So this is here is a resting room, basically, slash study place for Kit. She kind of didn't really clean it up yesterday. I don't know why. This up here, which you can see, I think, is her sleeping area, where she actually sleeps and stuff. Really cute. She has a bunch of stuffies. There's Pumpkin. What is he doing? I honestly don't know. So that was kind of short. So, yeah. Yeah. So basically, you guys probably wondering why you can't see my face right now. That's because there's no point. There's literally no point. Okay. Yeah, we can. Just 1 second. Okay, yeah, we can. Keep looking here. This. Her. There's Kit. Okay, she got in her undies. This is her. She's doing stuff. So as you guys know, we just hit 5 subscribers. Yay! Thank you for whoever subscribed. And yeah. Now we're going on to Kit's Joss's new bedroom. And if you didn't know, Joss is our cousin. And she was yeah. So see you guys next time.
What's up, guys? It's me, Bethany, here again to do the rest. And sorry,
No one cares. Okay, it's me actually here, and we're about to show you guys where to. It's Joss's room.
yeah. So this is
basically her room's like a study place.
yeah. She has her sleeping bag right here with her favorite stuffed animal. It's it's like this.
Yeah.
And then this is her lamb. Yeah. It's a weird lamb.
She's like a sleeping bag, right?
Yeah. It's a weird lamb. It makes weird noise. Anyway. So this is
The only reason she sleeps on the floor is because she's just not permanently staying here. It's just because her parents are
it's hard to
they're on a business trip, and they haven't really got back yet, so we're just kind of waiting.
yeah, so this is her it's like a what's it called again? A pencil holder, but right now, this goes in here. I definitely didn't take that. I took most of her pens to do random stuff with. Anyways, it's we have her seat here with the blanket on top, and then her desk. And then right here is where she sleeps, so the sleeping bag on the floor. And then we have her reading glasses, binoculars, a charger, and actually she can't hear that well. in like her right ear. She was just born that way. So like in here, that's like her hearing aid, and toothbrush. She has the spare hearing aid is in there. Right now, it's probably in her ear. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is her sleeping bag. And yeah, that's basically it. What else do you want to say about it, Ashley?
I don't know. Like, basically, guys, I want to say thank you for that 5th subscriber. Just, we're trying to make our videos better and better. We know that the videos at the start were a bit random.
Yeah,
But
we're we used to be really cringy.
I guess we still kind of are cringy. But, if you guys
Sorry.
enjoy watching us, please put a like on this video, and subscribe. Hit that like button and make sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. I know I already have, so you guys should too.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.